ta? 14? Ay, 20 tat na. Okay. Good morning, everybody. We have here today we have a bid opening for one goods procurement activities for today. So, good morning. We have the members of the bank, from the secretariat, the TWG, from the procurement unit, and also from the IT who are in charge on our live streaming on our YouTube channel, DPWH Lower Kalinga District Engineering Office. So we have here the contract ID. We are on also with those who are following us on our live streaming. Thank you for your participation. So we have here the contract ID PR 2026-04-0028 with a contract budget, approved budget for contract is 1,955,000 pesos and 700 pesos only. The contract title, the purchase of diesel for use in the operation of various equipment, vehicles assigned at DPWH LKDO. And we have here we have one bidder. We have the IAC fuel station. So may I ask Engineer Mukay to open the bid proposal submitted by IAC fuel station for this particular contract ID PR 2026-04-0028.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and good morning to each and every one of us present here today, and of course to those who are following us on our live streaming of this procurement activity. Good morning. So we have only one bidder who submitted their intent for this PR 2026-04-0028. So we have now here the bid proposal submitted by IAC Fuel Station. It was received at the Procurement Unit Office at 8:43 a.m. So we have here the request for quotation. Certificate of PhilJEPS registration is valid until December 17, 2026. The mayor's permit is valid until December 31, 2026. The DTI certificate, it is valid until January 24, 2028. And also the annual income tax return. And the omnibus sworn statement wherein stating that Edward A. Kaiser of legal age married Philippine residing of at Kalanan, Tabuk City, Kalinga after being duly sworn accordance with law do hereby depose and state that the following to it, that Edward A. Kaiser is the sole proprietor of IAC Fuel Station with office address at the National Road, Kalanan, Tabuk City, Kalinga. As the owner and sole proprietor or authorized representative of IAC Fuel Station, I have the Edward A. Kaiser have the full power and authority to do, execute, and perform any all acts necessary to participate, submit the bid, and to sign and execute the ensuing contract for RFQ PR number 2026-04-0028. IAC Fuel Station is not blacklisted or barred from bidding by the government of the Philippines or any of its agencies, corporations, LGUs, foreign government, foreign or international financing institutions. Blacklisting rules have been recognized by the GPPB or by itself by relation, membership, association, affiliation, controlling interest with another blacklisted person or entity as defined and provided for the uniform guidelines of the blacklisting. Each of the documents submitted in satisfaction of the bidding requirements as an authentic copy of the original, complete, and all statements and information provided therein are true and correct. IAC Fuel Station is authorizing the HOPE or its duly representative to verify all the documents submitted. The owner or proprietor is not related to the HOPE members of the BAC, the technical working group, the BAC secretariat, the head of the PMO, or the end-user unit, or the BAC consultants by consanguinity or affinity up to third civil degree. IAC fuel station complies with existing labor laws and standards. Fuel station is aware and has undertaken their responsibilities as a bidder in compliance with Philippine bidding documents, which includes carefully examining all the bidding documents, acknowledging all other conditions, local or otherwise, affecting the implementation of the contract, making an estimate of the facilities available for the contract to bid, if any, inquiring or securing supplemental bid bulletin issued for RFQ PR number 2026-04-0028. IAC fuel station did not give or pay directly or indirectly any commission, amount, fee, or any consideration pecuniary or otherwise to any person, official person, or representative of the government in relation to any procurement or activity. In case advance payment was made or given, failure to perform or deliver any of the obligations and the against the contract shall be sufficient grounds to consider criminal liability for swindling or staff commission of fraud with unfaithfulness or abuse of confidence through misappropriating or committing any performance received by a person or entity under obligation involving duty to deliver certain goods or services to creditors of the public and the government of the Philippines pursuant to Article 315 Act Number 3815 Series 1930 as amended or the revised penal code. Signed, Attorney Edward A. Carcers, De Amo, and Julie notarized. As complying.
Thank you, Sir Renzo Mokay. Since IAC is fuel station is complying, so you can open the financial proposal by the IAC fuel station.
Thank you again, Mr. C. So we have now, as stated, on the request for quotation, the bid proposal submitted by IAC fuel station for this particular contract. This is the purchase of diesel for use in operation of various equipment vehicles assigned at DPWH LKDO, amounting to, in words, 1,950,000 pesos only. 1,950,000. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Engineer Mokay. So, may I ask the Secretariat to collect all the documents submitted by IAC fuel station and turn over to the technical working group for them to scrutinize, verify the truthfulness of all the documents, and if all the documents are true and correct, then they will come out with a resolution and recommending approval to be approved by the HOP of head of the procurement entity or the award. So that's end of our procurement activities for today. So thank you very much those who are following us on our live streaming for these procurement activities. So also thank you the BAC members, the TWG, the Secretariat, the procurement unit, and also thank you for our IT who manage our live streaming. So that's it of our procurement activities for today, and it was adjourned.